Well, a woman is opening up tonight about the heart-wrenching experience of losing one of her sisters, prompting her to come forward with an impassioned plea for better medical facilities in East Grand Bahama. Here again is Raven Davis.
A birthday celebration between three sisters ending in tears and heartbreak. Abaco native Carolee Russell eagerly anticipated the arrival of her sister, Cocan Sawyer, who journeyed to Freeport for a celebratory reunion. But shortly after that reunion, fate had a cruel twist.
I would have dropped her to the bus to go to McLean's and to go to back to Abaco on the ferry, and somewhere en route, she would have difficulties breathing. She would have expressed to the bus of her situation. They would have made attempts to stop a few times. And I am thinking, because the distance was so long, they were unable to get to the clinic in time.
Faced with a medical crisis, she says the bus driver initially aimed for McLean's town, seeking medical facilities. However, confronted by inadequate resources, he redirected to the closest option, the High Rock Clinic. In those shadows of urgency, though, Sawyer's health journey took an irreversible turn.
Once she would have arrived at High Rock Clinic, it was already too late. She had already passed en route on the bus.
The situation prompting her plea for adequate medical facilities in the East End area.
Proper care, and also the ambulance took a while to get to High Rock also, so they have they need more medical attention in that side. If there were better facilities medically, my sister's life could have been spared.
Russell says their close-knit family is finding it difficult to deal with the loss, but says they cling to precious memories for solace.
My sister is very passionate, humble, loving, affectionate, and she always will go the extra mile for anyone. It's really rough, really rough. She left a 17-year-old son who was on the bus with her, who witnessed the whole incident. So it's pulling a toll on him and also the family.
For the Bahamas Tonight, the Northern Edition, I'm Raven Davis.
Now, the Ministry of Health responding to this plea for better medical facilities in East End. According to Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Michael Darrell, the government has a plan by way of an IDB loan facility for the improvement of EMS services in the Family Islands and remote communities. He says that this is a part of the government's plan to improve ground and air emergency transport services across the country. He adds that the new Public Hospitals Authority Academy have already trained 13 EMT specialists, and another training is being planned.